Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best jewelry kit is probably one of the most popular gifts for girls aged 3 to 5, offering a fantastic blend of fun, creativity, and skill development. This video will dive into a comprehensive review of a top-rated jewelry making kit, examining its features, ease of use, safety aspects, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect creative outlet for your young one, sparking their imagination and fostering their love for arts and crafts. Number 5. Just My Style ABC Beads. It's easy to create bracelets, keychains, and more. Follow the step-by-step instructions or let your creativity guide you. With so many beads and charms, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match to create unique jewelry and accessories. Use the alphabet beads and charms to spell out names, words, or fun phrases. It's a creative way to express yourself. Beading is a fun and engaging activity that helps improve hand-eye coordination and self-expression. This kit includes elastic cord, wax cords, satin cords, alphabet beads, charms, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have everything you need to start creating. What we like? It has a massive collection of beads and alphabet charms, allowing for personalized creations. The step-by-step instructions make it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a kit that encourages creativity and spelling practice, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a fun gift, the packaging is super cute and it looks exciting to open. Great for adults and kids of all ages. My son likes to make gifts for his auntie every time he sees her, a few times a month usually, and these are the type of thing that make a great gifting idea for kids to make and give to loved ones instead of gifting them something bought or something that they made with a coloring book and hate. Easily made with a little help from someone older like an older sibling or neighbor to make for someone at home. There's lots of beads included to make lots of different designs. Lots and lots of beads to keep my 7-year-old granddaughter busy and happy. It is a good gift for school holidays to give some peace and quiet all around. Number 4. Terra Toys Disney Princess Necklace Set. Get ready to unleash your inner jewelry designer. This set has everything you need to create dazzling Disney princess necklaces. With 150 colorful beads and 5 adorable princess charms, the design possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine. Make 5 unique necklaces featuring Ariel, Tiana, Cinderella, Belle, and Snow White. Each one is a miniature masterpiece. Simply string the beads and charms onto the necklaces. It's so simple, even the youngest crafters can join in the fun. It's easy to redesign your necklaces again and again. Untie, remove, and restring for a completely new look. This complete kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's perfect for kids aged 3 and up. The sturdy pink case keeps all your beads, charms, and necklaces neatly organized. It's easy to carry and store. What we like? This kit features beloved Disney princess characters. It comes with everything needed to make 5 complete necklaces. The handy case makes storage a breeze. If your child loves Disney princesses and enjoys crafting, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The princess pendants and the strings are particularly nice. The strings are stretchy and easily snap into either end. And she can take them apart and redesign the necklaces. Lots of fun. It was a good activity to do together and it helps with fine motor skills. The product itself is well made and seemed good quality. These are super cute and easy for little ones to put together. You can make them all and give to friends. Or use as a party favor for a little girl party. Number 3. FUNZBO 520 Plus Snap Pop Beads. It's the perfect jewelry making kit to keep your little one engaged and entertained. They can create unique bracelets and necklaces, fostering their creativity and imagination. With these snap beads, there's no need for string or rope. Simply snap them together to create bracelets, rings, or necklaces. It's easy and fun for everyone. The 520 plus beads in various colors and shapes encourage exploration and creativity. It's a fantastic way for children to explore different textures and colors. These beads are great for strengthening little hands and fingers. Assembling and disassembling them enhances finger flexibility and hand-eye coordination. It comes in a convenient storage case with a carrying handle, making it easy to store and transport. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. What we like? It includes a large variety of colorful snap beads that are super easy to connect and disconnect. It's great for improving fine motor skills and creativity. If you're looking for a simple, engaging, and educational craft kit, this one is a great choice. What people say. Super easy to assemble for little hands, really cute and great quality. The beads are bright, durable, and easy for little hands to connect and take apart. They inspire hours of imaginative play and are great for developing fine motor skills. It came with hairbands, bracelets, and rings on top of making bracelets and necklaces. It's a fun kit with lots of variety as well as letter charms, so she was quickly making gifts for all of us. Number 2. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has 520 colorful beads in different shapes and sizes, perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, and rings. With so many beads and colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create unique jewelry pieces. No messy threads needed. It's super simple to connect and disconnect the beads, making it perfect for little hands. This is the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It encourages creativity and fine motor skills. Made from high-quality, child-safe plastic, it meets international safety standards. Hours of fun and imaginative play await. It comes with everything you need to start creating, including 2 hairbands, all neatly stored in a pink box. What we like? This kit offers a wide array of snap beads in various shapes and colors, plus bonus hairbands. The simple snap-together design makes it perfect for young children. If you want a fun and easy-to-use jewelry making kit with extra accessories, this is it. What people say. The little parts don't break easily. Comes in a nice little box, lots of pieces and colors, plus little accessories to create rings, bracelets, etc. She's been playing with it non-stop since Christmas last month, and nothing has broken. They are easy to handle and such fun bright colors. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Bead Bouquet. It's time to get crafty. This deluxe bead set has everything you need to create beautiful jewelry. With over 220 colorful beads and 8 cords, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. All the beads and cords are neatly organized in a convenient wooden tray for easy access and cleanup. It's the perfect activity for developing fine motor skills, creativity, and pattern recognition. Makes a great gift for children ages 4 to 8. It's a fun, hands-on way to play without screens. This product is made with sustainably sourced materials, supporting responsible forestry. It's good for the planet and great for play. What we like? This kit boasts a beautiful collection of high-quality wooden beads. It comes in a convenient wooden tray for easy organization. If you value quality materials and a sophisticated crafting experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The beads are made of wood and are so beautifully painted. Excellent for little fingers to string beads and shapes. My 3-year-olds did it easily and loved it. Great quality and colors. Easy for a toddler to string beads and make their own jewelry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.